So, we're on the road to creating everything and anything in our slow cooker. Today that road continues with these super easy, macro-friendly Sloppy Joes. So let's just jump right into it. Start by heating up around a tablespoon of olive oil on medium heat in a pan on your stovetop. Once that heats up a bit, you're gonna add in 1 chopped up green bell pepper, 1 chopped up red bell pepper, half a chopped up onion, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. You can choose to add in other vegetables if you want here, but this is usually my go-to for this recipe. Go ahead and let those cook for a couple minutes. After that, add in 2 pounds of lean ground beef or turkey and cook that until brown. Make sure to break it up while doing this. Quick note here is if you use a lean enough meat, you won't need to drain it, but there's a lot of liquid left over from using a fattier meat, you'll probably want to drain it a bit. Once that's cooked, take out your slow cooker, optionally add in a liner to it and add that mix in. By the way, I linked my liners below in the description in case you wanted to check them out. Next, add in 1 can of a low sodium tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon garlic seasoning, 1/4 cup ketchup, 4 tablespoons of the tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of the honey, 2 teaspoons of mustard, a little black pepper, and a little salt. Mix all of those ingredients together until it looks like this, then throw your lid on, let it cook on low for 4 hours.